Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss cascading concept. Okay, in data pages, cascading concept we are going to discuss. What is cascading? Let me tell you. First, I'll run a case, then you will understand what exactly cascading. See, in our previous video, we have worked on state dropdown by using data pages. Okay, where we created one data class for states. From there, we created one report definition. That report definition we have called in data pages. That data page we have called in section like UI. Okay. Address section. We did this in address section. Uh, we just change. This is the address. So here this drop down we have worked. First we created one states class, data class. From there, by using country code, we have got by using report definition. We created one report definition called state switch. By using state code and state name, we are going to call this. This report definition we have used it. This database shows as the report definition of state switch by country. This report definition we have called it address section. Double click on it. We have called here. The source is first we change the drop down here from text to drop down. A we call list of sources database. The database we have called here. What is the scene now? If I execute this case, what is happening here? Which is here I'm selecting India. That is very good. Here states, all states are covered. But I don't want all states. I just want if I select India, India related states. If I select United States, United States. Okay, United States. If I select Australia, Australia related states only. How to achieve it? See in this way. Alright. So for this, what we will do, we'll go to report definition. From scratch, we need to see. I'll submit it. Then I'll click on clipboard. What exactly happened to this? Go to P by 1. Country name is coming. Based on the country name, you want that. Okay, see, this is country. This country, it is okay, all right. So for this, we need to pass these parameters. This country name or country code it is. Country code. Based on the country code, we need to pass the parameter. We just observe. I'll go to report definition. Here, define parameter. Go to parameter tab. You just define the parameters. CCD stands for country code. You can say just you give whatever you name, but just names to be understood. Text data type. Alright. Next one. Query tab. Source is dot country code is equal to param.ccd param dot this last one you can select param.ccd. So whatever the parameter I have defined here, CCD, I'm passing in this query. If the country code is equal to param.ccd, then execute this report definition accordingly. Okay. This is where condition. This report definition is done. Check out and see. After report definition, what we need to do? This UI is calling from database, not from the report definition. So we need to go to database to do the modification. How to go to the database which is calling this report definition rule? Yes, you can directly go from here as you already opened it, or else what you will do, here you can go to database because I already opened it. If you don't know, just click on actions, click on view reference. Okay, click on view reference. From view reference, which database is calling this report definition rule? This database. We'll go there. Okay. This database, right? The database and the report definition is using. So, in this database, what you will do, go to parameters. Here, the parameter name should be matching with the report definition parameter. What is the parameter name you have chosen here? CCD. Same name you just give. Control. Go to this one. Okay. Parameter passed. Now click on this parameter. Come to this definition. Click on this parameter. Pass the current parameter page. Whatever the parameter is there, just pass it. But if you select it, parameter name should be matched. See, you are not giving this value manually, so pass the parameter. After that, we have to do the changes in report definition and database. What we need to do? We need to do the changes in address section as well. Go here, double click. This database you just reselect state switch by state switch by country. Okay. Save. Report definition save. Database check. Parameters defined definition. Save. Now go to address section. Double click. Database. Here reseller. T slash s state switch by. Okay. Now it is asking you to pass the parameter value. What value you will pass here? What value you will pass here? Country code you need to pass. So dot country. Whatever the value we are choosing in this country label, whatever the value you are choosing in country label must be come there. Okay. In case our goal is so whatever the country value I am selecting, the country related data should come. So In address section, the property value is like the parameter I'm passing is country code. So whatever the value I select in country, that related states only should come. So, this is deleted. Property value state. Property state. This is for the state. Save it. Now refresh the case. Go for next. Create a case and test. So change the stage now. Why I am passing parameters? If I select India, the India state should come. See, only Australia states. I forgot to save this address section. If I select India, India states only come. If I select Canada, Canada states only come. Like that it will work. Okay, why I pass the parameter instead of passing the value here. So see, we have two sections here. That's why I have chosen option for parameter. Otherwise, in report definition, where is that report definition? Here we are passing the parameter, right? Param.ccd country code we are using. Instead of this, we can also write py workpage dot address section dot like that. See, py workpage dot where is this one? Billing address dot country like that. But here we have two sections. Instead of passing value, we are passing parameters. Okay, like that it will work. I hope you understand the video. I do the revision if you want. If you execute the case, if I select India, only India related states are come. If I select United States related things are come. That's why when we created a class, here data class, okay, data model, we have chosen three options. Okay, state code and country code as well. Where is the text? Country code also we have chosen because for the cascade. I hope this video makes sense, or else I'll do another video just like this.